full video of just this MK5 Supra that we built here at 412 Motorsport. We haven't really covered build videos, so I wanted to do like a 10-minute video that covers A to Z of what we went through, how the build was, the pros, cons, what we like, what we don't like. Obviously, the car is insane, looks great, made a lot of power, so we're extremely happy with the result, and I wanted to share all that with you. So I just wanted to start a video off by introducing the Supra that you guys already know. Already has a 2JZ motor, so enjoy the process. Thank you. 2020 Supra 2JZ manual motor, built by us, rated over 1,000 horsepower. I don't know what we're gonna go with this, but where we're gonna go with this, but I think it's gonna be insane. Literally 2020 Supra, untouched, brand new car, not even 1,000 miles on it. The owner, our friend Mark, just every build he does is insane, incredible. It'll probably be the best Supra out there. Just like his previous builds, every single one he does is one of the most beautiful cars. This is gonna be the first one in USA as a street car. Most challenging part is all the technology in the 2020 generation. Electronic steering, ABS, all that stuff. It's just, we'll see what we're gonna get ourselves into. We're really excited. So basically we have everything ripped out of the car. This car is gonna be manual, 6-speed transmission, ride seats. We're building the roll cage, as you can see right now. The car is gonna make 1,000 plus wheel horsepower. We're upgrading the brakes, twin disc clutch. We have HKS turbo, fully built 2JZ motor, all titanium. With the engine mounts already bolted on, they're extremely crazy. The work and effort that been going into that car is amazing. We just picked up some ride seats with the Kevlar. As you guys can see, thank you Bright for giving us these beautiful seats for this car. Clutch master, obviously, and yeah, this is the upgraded brakes right here. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much so the video don't get boring, but yep, thank you. We just got the cage powder coated, put back in the car. We have the Bright seat with Takata seat belts installed. Just doing a test fit. We're gonna take everything back out so we can finish the. We have a 6-speed manual transmission, so we gotta finish that. Once that's done, we have the middle console on. Then we'll put everything back in so nothing gets damaged or scratched up. But as far as that goes for the Supra, that's the updates on that.
Car king.
I guess Mark was trying to find a shop to do it. Nobody kind of wanted to just drop the ball. We agreed here, me and my team, to kind of do this project. It's something super cool, and everybody was talking about it before this car even came out. I love the idea. and we wanted to kind of go above and beyond. So we basically tore down the car. We bought a 2JZ motor. We fully built it. We polished everything HKS, all JDM. We got Clutchmaster 850 series with the adapter kit from Autosport Engineering with a 6-speed manual original E46 M3 transmission. We're currently trying to finish the motor mounts and the transmission mounts to get that going. There's so much detail to talk about this car because it's something that we've been kind of trying to make sure it's perfect. How to get the engine in there with the oil pan and all that stuff. So everything is custom made. Everything fits literally absolutely perfect. Engine sits exactly where we want it to sit. It's gonna drive ridiculous. We want to make at least at the lowest 800 plus, and the engine is fully capable of. But now we're building the exhaust manifold. We're waiting on the exhaust manifold. We're gonna slap the turbo on there. We're gonna throw the intercooler in, radiator, everything, all that stuff. There you have it, this 2020 MK5 2JZ Supra. It's all done. Thank you guys for watching, for liking all our videos, for being loyal, sticking with us, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe for more stuff like that.